So this is my Ford Focus. She hadn't been started for 20 days over the lockdown. The battery was completely flat, but the main problem was I couldn't, when I put the key in, it wouldn't turn. The steering wheel was completely locked. There was no movement. I jiggled the key. I've got several spare keys, tried them, nothing doing. Recharged the battery as advised somewhere on the internet, didn't help. In the end, the only thing that worked was to get some silicone lubricant. You can use WD-40, but I prefer the silicone lubricant. Spray that into the hole. So it was completely locked. Waited a couple of minutes, jiggled it around, and then suddenly everything was fine. Now I've had the steering wheel lock on one occasion. My poor old Focus now is 2006, 14 years old, so I'm starting to get this kind of problem. And my number one cure for most problems now for DIY is silicone lubricant. Remember, WD-40 is actually a freeing agent. The ordinary WD is a freeing agent rather than a lubricant, so just be a little bit careful of that. Okay,